Hi everyone and welcome to our presentation on Red Hat OpenShift in the cloud. In this session, we will continue from our last presentation about the benefits of OpenShift in your cloud journey. Now we'll talk about the value of a streamlined application platform, and you'll see a demo on how easy it is to use OpenShift, whether it's deployed on-premises or in the cloud. We'll talk about the developer experience and some management features. So let's get started. First, I would like to mention our portfolio. The Red Hat portfolio provides a comprehensive solution for most customers' cloud journeys. The first pillar focuses on hybrid cloud infrastructure, providing the foundation for a seamless stack across all your footprints. The second pillar, management and automation, simplifies hybrid environment management with the best opinionated automation tools in the market. Lastly, our third pillar is dedicated to cloud-native development, which is the main focus of our presentation today. Looking at these pillars, it emphasizes the importance of having a consistent technology stack. As you can see, we have the broadest portfolio for the hybrid cloud, addressing the challenges of fractionated environments and ad hoc platforms that result in high costs and complexity. Red Hat provides a solid and stable foundation that allows you to focus on creating business value, rather than building and managing the underlying technology. Our focus today is the market one, as you see around the OpenShift platform layer. At Red Hat, we believe in the power of consistency across your IT environments. Our portfolio is expertly engineered for interoperability and standardization, delivering a seamless experience and unlocking limitless potential by reducing complexity and friction of change. So let's take a look at some challenges faced by our customers. Today's IT environments is filled with constraints that hinder organizations from achieving their goals. One of the main challenges is the hybrid nature of the IT systems, which often consists of multiple generations of technologies and monolithic applications. This creates a mix of new and old skills, leading to workloads across different footprints, with internal silos and skills gaps that slows down the delivery of applications. These challenges highlight the need for a solution that can effectively streamline, manage, and simplify the complex IT landscape. A solution which is designed to support wide application variety, no matter if it's legacy or cloud native, that spans across multiple environments and clouds, that provides the ability to innovate and drive new value through the creation of new applications and services. A platform that's flexible, allowing you to easily adapt and changing business needs and scale as required. A fully managed platform that covers operational and maintenance tasks and freeing up your resources. And the most importantly, that it ensures the security and resilience of your application and data, guaranteeing business continuity in any scenario and environment, and being in compliance with industry regulations and standards. A platform with a hybrid cloud approach and freedom to run your application anywhere without limits. But the platform by itself is not enough though. It requires right capabilities. For example, developers need a platform that empowers them to be productive without being burdened by infrastructure worries and long waiting times, so they can focus on what they do best, like building applications, innovating applications. They very likely need modern tools and frameworks integrated and supported into the platform so they can work efficiently and with confidence, regardless whether the business demands are and where they are headed. IT operations, however, require a platform that's secure, efficient, and compliant with controlled processes to ensure the needed stability and consistency, and to be able to manage the infrastructure effectively while going towards a cloud operating model. Red Hat OpenShift is a leading application platform that balances the agility of development and IT operation. It provides a consistent platform with a focus on efficiency and flexibility. It spans across bare metal, virtual, private cloud, and public cloud, and even to the edge. With OpenShift, you can deliver business innovation faster in simple and consistent way, regardless if it's your traditional apps, modern apps, or AI, ML apps. No matter if it's developers, IT operations, or data scientists, to get the most value out of their spend time. Now let's take a look at OpenShift platform from a developer and IT operation point of view. We will use the platform from the previous session where we provisioned an Azure Red Hat OpenShift Arrow environment. But now let's focus on the built-in features in developer and administration perspectives. We'll begin in the Azure portal where we left off last time. Let's look up the Arrow cluster and access the console. As you can see, you have the same OpenShift console as on-premise, with the same features and experience. Let's focus on enabling developers on the platform. Assuming your development team wants to deploy an application, this can be done very easily by using the built-in deploy image feature. Now, let's deploy our bookstore app. We'll enable a route for the application so we can access it over the web. Now, as we can see here, the application is being deployed and soon up and running. Let's access the application. As you can see. Anyway, even if it was a simple app, I just wanted to show the concept, the idea about how easily it is for your developers to use the OpenShift cloud environment by using the same skills and experience. Now let's see how your developers can build and deploy an application just from the Git source code. And this time we will provide our application Git source location, some information about the application, and the thing I want to show you this time is the option about adding a pipeline feature. Okay, and we'll create a route for this application too. Now, as we can see, the pipeline is running. This can take a couple of minutes. Let's look at some other features. Say that you want to invite team members and give them different roles. This can be done here in the project access view. Well, another cool thing, let's check the observe. Here we have metrics for our project. We can see the resources and the health of our applications. This is done the same way as we're used to. We see the CPU, the memory, net, etc. Now, let's go and check our pipelines. As we can see, it has successfully completed. Our application source code has been fetched, built, and deployed. As we can see here, the application is ready to be accessible. This with minimal effort and with the same skills as on-premise OpenShift environment. All right, let's now take a look at the admin perspective, which is typically used by IT operations. Let's look at the operator hub. With just few clicks, they can install supporting services the same way as it's done on-premise. Now, in the Observe view, you'll have the menu for the dashboards. Here, the IT operation gets a comprehensive set of monitoring dashboards, helping them as usual to understand cluster component state, health, and much more. Now, in the Compute menu, we'll have the nodes, machines, and machine sets, etc. This gives the IT operation effectively manage the cluster itself, for example, by scaling the number of machines on demand and with ease. So let's do it. Now we have seen how the console allows even the IT operation team in their daily work, so they can manage the cluster easily by using the same skills and processes they are used to. All right. So what we have talked about and seen, Red Hat OpenShift streamlines developer experience, providing a unified platform independently if it's on-premises or in a new cloud environment. With full stack management, a range of integrated application services that maximize the value of the platform, enabling teams to efficiently build and run the applications. In the demo, we showcase the benefits of OpenShift, including its consistency and flexibility. OpenShift provides the same experience and access to tools and features when running on-premise or in the cloud. Integrated tools and frameworks to support the development process. This includes CI/CD pipelines, as we saw in the demo, features like A/B testing and built-in web-based IDE based on the OpenShift dev spaces to deliver you a complete development platform. With support for cloud-native frameworks like Quarkus, Spring, Serverless, and even Windows containers. This makes OpenShift the perfect platform to inspire and improve developer productivity. With OpenShift, you can minimize skill sprawl and increase productivity, regardless of your cloud choice. This simplifies the transition from on-premise to cloud, or from one cloud to another cloud, and streamline fleet management. With a wide range of technologies and workflows, developers and IT operations can roll out applications and changes to production much faster, whether it's done on-premise or in the cloud, using the same resources and processes. Now, just to wrap up, Red Hat OpenShift provides a simplified and streamlined solution and helps you to innovate and accelerate your business. It appeals to both dev and ops with the flexibility and experience as on-premise or in the cloud. OpenShift empowers teams to focus on creating business value. Now, I just want to mention that you can build your own application as I did in the demo with no-cost OpenShift sandbox at developers.redhat.com. And please, if you have any questions or would like to learn more, don't hesitate to reach out. We are here to help you succeed in your cloud journey. Now, thank you again for your time and attention.
Red Hat and Intel enjoy a strong partnership that spans more than 2 decades. At the heart of this collaboration is our common focus on hybrid and multi-cloud infrastructure as the foundational building blocks for your digital transformation. Intel is not just a silicon company. We are the #1 contributor to the Linux kernel, and we have over 20,000 software engineers working with partners like Red Hat to optimize software on our architecture. Together, Red Hat and Intel help customers to navigate digital transformation with solutions that provide more choice, flexibility, and innovation. Red Hat and Intel have a long track record of delivering joint market-ready solutions to many industries and enterprises. Red Hat and Intel are the beating heart of the open source ecosystem. Our joint solutions are built on open platforms with enterprise-grade open source software and x86 architecture from edge to cloud. Red Hat and Intel solutions are supported by a strong ecosystem and are tested and validated before being certified or deployed in the Red Hat market space. Our engineers continuously work to harden our platform and solutions with industry standards and enterprise-grade security. Open source and x86 offer you an open platform for innovation with choice and the agility to deploy quickly. We just launched the 4th Gen Xeon processors, delivering to customers a range of features for managing power and performance, making the optimal use of CPU resources to help achieve their sustainability goals. Unlike any other data center processors on the market, and already in the hands of customers today, the 4th Gen Xeon family greatly expands on Intel purpose-built workloads, first strategy and approach. Today, there are over 100 million Xeons installed in the market, from on-prem servers running IT services, including new as-a-service business models, to networking equipment, managing internet traffic, to wireless base stations, computing at the edge, to cloud services. Thank you for your time. We look forward to collaborating with you to enrich your digital transformation journey with Red Hat and Intel solutions.